How to measure using Murata's vibration sensor devices. Murata's vibration sensor devices can detect vibrations up to the high-frequency range at a high signal-to-noise ratio. This makes them ideal for predictive maintenance applications. In this video, we will take a look at how to take measurements using an evaluation board. We have two types of evaluation boards available: a screw-fix type and a type fixed in place with adhesive. They are extremely simple to use. Aside from the vibration sensor device evaluation board, the only items needed for evaluation are a stabilized power supply and measuring equipment for checking vibration, oscilloscope, PLC, and data logger. Using our evaluation kit also allows you to check the vibration data with the PC alone. As you can see, simply by fixing the evaluation board to the location where you wish to measure, you can immediately obtain vibration analog waveforms. A word of caution: how you fix the evaluation board in place is extremely important for accurately measuring high-frequency vibrations. If you use double-sided tape, as shown here, the board may lift up, so we suggest that you fix it in place with adhesive or screws. You can also configure the vibration sensor device as a wireless vibration sensor device by combining it with a battery, microcontroller, and wireless module. This allows you to use it in locations where wiring is difficult and for monitoring abnormalities across entire equipment systems. Please feel free to contact us about product and evaluation kit details and for other inquiries.